Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Window of Tolerance worksheet. What is a Window of Tolerance worksheet? A Window of Tolerance worksheet aids individuals in understanding their emotional responses, especially when dealing with stress or trauma. The self-reflective resource is built around the concept of the window of tolerance, which represents the zone of emotional arousal in which we can function effectively. When we experience intense emotions or stress, we can be pushed outside our tolerance window into hyperarousal, characterized by states such as anxiety or anger, or hypoarousal, marked by feelings of disconnection or numbness. This shift can make it difficult to process our emotions and make appropriate responses. A window of tolerance worksheet is a roadmap for exploring your window of tolerance. It helps you identify your unique signs of hyperarousal and hypoarousal, recognize the triggers that lead you into these states, and find strategies to bring balance. It's divided into the following stages of improved self-awareness, to encourage introspection and self-reflection for healthier relationships and improved well-being, personalized coping strategies to encourage routine and enhance resilience, empowerment to gain greater control over emotions as well as boost confidence and self-esteem, and trauma management to kickstart a healing journey. As a result, it's commonly used by therapists, counselors, and more. Here's how to use a window of tolerance worksheet. The first step is to fill in the name and date and then complete part 1. You'll then need to fill in part 2. Finally, complete the worksheet by finishing with part 3, expanding on your window of tolerance. To view a sample worksheet of the window of tolerance, go to carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through the Carepatron platform. All you have to do is type in the keywords, select the note, and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.